Alright, trying this for a third time. This will be a video about state ref, what happens to you, or what you should do if you get state refed with this lovely yellow ticket, with the citation number on the back and all that. There's 5 options. I did about 15 hours of research, talked to a lot of people, reached out, and this is the 5 main things that I think you could do if you get state ref. Now, I'm no professional, so don't fully quote on me on this. Each branch where you take your ticket to do state ref could be different. First option, number 1, is you take your car back to stock form. That means when you go to state ref for your modified emissions, you show them that you changed everything. They test your car. If you pass, scot-free, nothing on your record. Cop pulls you over again, they won't know, so you're good to go. But I have found that some places have knocked people when they took their cars in for gauges, aftermarket steering wheel, aftermarket seats. I don't know which branch that is. Some people told me that they're friend of a friend, or I talked to one guy who said he went in with his gauges and they didn't like his AFR gauge. So I don't know if that means completely stock on the inside too, but just to be safe, I would consider taking your car in the way you bought it from the factory. Now, that's a complete pain in the ass, but you got to do what you got to do if you want to try to get away with state ref the right way, I guess you could say. It's 50 bucks around there to take your test. If you fail, you got to pay another 50 bucks, but you don't have to pay the fine. That's option 2, is you post bail. My bail is set at $880. It ranges from person to person. The maximum fine is about $1,000. Now, if you post bail, the cops will see, if they pull you over again, that you did not get state refed cleared, which means they can give you a ticket twice the amount of the previous ticket you had. So I could be roughly sitting at $1,800 because it's round up and say my ticket was 900 bucks. So that's a big bummer. Second thing is, if they want to be complete assholes, is they can tow your car. Let's say you posted bail twice and you get caught a third time. Impound the car, you have no bail set, you have to get your state ref cleared if you want your car back. So yes, posting bail is probably the very easiest option. You just pay it and your car's done and you're good to go. But it's also pretty risky because you get that gamble of, if you get pulled over again, you're fucked twice as hard as you were the first time. Third option you have is what I did, is hire an attorney. I won't say the attorney's name until this thing is fully cleared to see how it goes, but you pay them a set amount and they fight your case for you. They ask for an extension usually, which I guess makes it easier because the police officer probably won't show up, but who knows. They fight for either full dismissal of the case or a reduced fine. I'm hoping for a dismissed case, which means no record points, or it doesn't show up on my record. Basically, state ref never happened for me. That's what I'm aiming for. If not, you get reduced fine, so you pay the reduced fine and whatever you paid your attorney. That's option number 3. Option number 4 is you non-op your car. Non-op your car means you take the registration off, you go to the DMV and all that, which means you also can't drive the car on the street. It has to be trailered everywhere, trailer to the track, trailer to the car show, trailer to whatever you want. Now, there is a way you can do this where you state ref your car, you get cleared, and then you register in Nevada, Montana, somewhere that has no smog requirements. You have to have someone there that you know so you can use their address, but this is kind of a dirty way of doing it because it seems more sketch registering your car out of state. Not only is it going to draw more attention to you, but there will also be that story time of, oh yeah, why is your car registered in Nevada? My mom lives there and I bring my car back every weekend, or I'm going to a track day, but then I drive back there. So, I mean, you're kind of lying. It's not exactly what I want to do. It's a sticky situation that I don't want to be put in. But you can do that. Get your car state ref, get it cleared, register in another state that has no smog requirements. That's option 4. Option 5 is sell your car to someone out of state. Now, this had like 0 information. I only talked to a handful of people that were not willing to give a ton of information because it seems like a very, very sketch black market loophole of some sort. You sell your car to someone out of state, wait a while, and then buy it back, and it's fully cleared. This one confused the hell out of me. I don't know exactly how it works with the system, but when you sell the car, they register it over there and it becomes cleared, and then you sell it back. and it becomes clear in California. But yeah, I mean, yeah, this state ref is just a money-making thing. California's getting screwed by everyone. The big YouTubers, I think, are kind of ruining it with their shenanigans. There's big beefs between the YouTube people doing stuff. Like if you saw Car Week in Monterey, some YouTubers were going at it, but car community is definitely in a decline. That's why I prefer track days, because the track day itself is a car show. So, but to wrap things up, because a lot of people have short attention spans, if you get state ref, you have 5 options. Completely clear it. Hardest route, probably, in my opinion, because it takes so much time and effort. Post bail, which is the easiest, but then you risk getting pulled over again and getting bent over even harder the next time. Option 3, hire an attorney. Pray to the car gods that works out in your favor. 4, non-op your car. And 5, sell your car and buy it back. Now, if you're on a timeline kind of crunch, I would say pay bail. That's the fastest. Second, hire an attorney, because if you hire an attorney, you kind of wait a while because they wait till your court date and then ask for the extension. Then the third would be put your car back to stock form. Non-op and sell your car, I don't really consider that a timeline, because non-op you could just go straight to the DMV. But I feel like non-op and selling are the least of what people are going to do. The main ones are going to be take it back to state ref to get it cleared, pay bail, or hire an attorney. Personally, I would hire an attorney, but if you have the time and means to put your car completely back to stock, take it in, pass, and then put all the parts back on, go for it. More power to you. But if you guys have any questions, please post them down below. I'll be more than happy to help. Hopefully I'll have an update with you guys soon about my car. Can't really make any Subaru content because I don't have that car up and running. Won't be buying any new parts for it. I do hope to go to Sonoma 914. I really want to do that. I just have to get a car or an SUV or a truck and a trailer because I can't drive there. But for now, I have this truck. Love this truck, super fun. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Once again, questions, comments, concerns, post them down below. Hope this helped.